Welcome to YouTube. You're watching New Cars Trend, your go-to channel for the latest updates on new car trends, reviews, and innovations in the automotive world. Today we have something truly exciting, the 2025 Honda Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Honda has stepped into the world of motorhomes, and they've done it with style, technology, and practicality in mind. If you love road trips, adventure, or even just the idea of a home on wheels, this is a vehicle you won't want to miss. Let's start with the exterior design. At first glance, the 2025 Honda Motorhome is sleek and modern, blending elements of Honda's futuristic design with the ruggedness needed for long road trips. The smooth aerodynamics help improve fuel efficiency while maintaining a bold, commanding presence on the road. The front fascia features LED headlights that integrate seamlessly into Honda's signature grille. The large windshield provides excellent visibility, making long drives more comfortable. On the sides, you'll notice large sliding doors for easy entry and exit, as well as expansive windows that let in plenty of natural light. The rear section is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a robust tow hitch and extra storage compartments for all your adventure gear. Now let's step inside, where Honda has really outdone itself. The interior of the 2025 Honda Motorhome is designed to feel like a true home on wheels. It features a spacious layout with high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and an ergonomic design that maximizes both comfort and functionality. The seating area can transform into a comfortable sleeping space, making it perfect for long trips. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped, featuring a stove, microwave, refrigerator, and plenty of storage for groceries. There's also a modern bathroom with a shower, sink, and toilet, ensuring that you can enjoy all the comforts of home while on the road. When it comes to technology and features, Honda has packed this motorhome with the latest innovations. It comes with a fully digital infotainment system that includes a large touchscreen with navigation, smartphone connectivity, and voice commands. The climate control system ensures a comfortable environment no matter where you travel. There are also multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and even solar panels on the roof to provide sustainable power. Honda has also focused on safety, equipping the motorhome with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for easy parking and maneuvering. Under the hood, the performance of the 2025 Honda Motorhome is impressive for its category. It is powered by a hybrid engine, combining a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with an electric motor for optimal performance and lower emissions. The powertrain provides smooth acceleration and a comfortable ride even on long journeys. The suspension system is designed to handle rough terrains, ensuring stability and control. Additionally, Honda's AWD system is available, making this motorhome capable of handling different weather and road conditions. Finally, let's talk about the price and availability. While Honda has not officially announced the exact pricing, experts predict that it will be competitively priced in the motorhome market, making it an attractive option for those looking for an affordable yet high-quality camper. Honda is expected to release the motorhome in select markets by late 2025, and demand is already high among adventure seekers and travel enthusiasts. Overall, the 2025 Honda Motorhome is an exciting step forward for Honda, bringing innovation, comfort, and efficiency to the world of RV travel. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips, weekend getaways, or even using it as a mobile office, this motorhome offers a perfect balance of practicality and modern technology. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car trends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to New Cars Trends. Let us know in the comments what you think about Honda's move into the motorhome industry. Would you buy one? See you in the next video.